The first thing we are going to do is install the oil sending unit required for our oil gauge. This body pan will need to be removed to get access to the oil filter housing. We're going to install the oil sender here on the oil housing as there is good clearance. Once you remove the housing, you'll notice the area to be drilled is a curved surface. You should grind this area flat to create a good flat surface area for the drilling and tapping. Use a 5/16 drill bit to make your hole. Then use a tap to make a 1/8 inch 27 count thread hole. Now add some Teflon tape or paste on the threads, being very careful not to leave any exposed loose pieces. You don't want any Teflon pieces in your oil. Now reinstall your filter housing with the sender already installed. Here we've used some blue painter's tape on the socket to allow for easier reinstallation of the back bolt. Next, we decided to carefully route the wiring under the airbox, which requires the removal of all the mass air sensor ductwork, the radiator support cover, and the cold air box. However, you can choose to skip this entire step and use your own routing. We then found this pre-existing hole perfect to run our wire through the firewall.